Now wrecking at Athol Park Wreckers, 2012 Ford Fiesta WT 1.6. Looking at a 6-speed automatic. Good clean running engine. Had a timing belt change not too long ago. February this year. Tapped in the front in white. Good pair of mirrors. Couple of good rims. Couple of not so good rims. Standard white car. Got a parcel shelf. Household belongings in the back. Let's have a look. Runs pretty well. It's ripped the leg out of bed. And let's see the kilometres that starter on and off. 33,504 Ks. Super low Ks on this one today, ladies and gentlemen. Clean interior. Hasn't done a lot of work. All parts are covered with a 3-month warranty. Shipping Australia-wide. We can supply and install engines and transmissions. Give us a call on 088341 1122. Check out fordwreckers.com.au or our Facebook page. Thank you.